Let's practice some English words that are useful when talking about cities. Population, pollution, pollute, and populate. So I'm in Brisbane city now, and behind me is the city and the river, Brisbane River. I'll give you a short description of my city, Brisbane, where I live, and when we look at the words more closely, we will have some examples. Brisbane is a beautiful city in the northeast of Australia. The population is more than 2.5 million people, and the city keeps growing every year. Many areas are well populated along the Brisbane River with apartments, restaurants, and offices. Like most big cities, Brisbane sometimes has problems with pollution, especially traffic pollution during rush hour. But the air is usually clear, like you see today, because the city is not heavily polluted compared to other large cities. So now the lesson words. Population. That's the total number of people in a city or country. So the population of Brisbane is about 2.5 million. The world's population is now over 8 billion. The older population in Australia is growing as people live longer. So it's population. Population. The next word is pollution. Pollution. When the air, water, or land is made dirty or unhealthy, that's pollution. Air pollution in big cities comes from cars and traffic. Water pollution, like in the river behind me, is a serious problem in many rivers. Light pollution is hard. Light pollution, something new, makes it hard to see the stars at night. So in big cities, you can't see stars at night very well because there's too much light around. The third word, pollute, that's an action word which is related to pollution, to make something dirty. I pollute, I make something dirty. Factories can pollute the air if they don't use filters. Throwing plastic back into the ocean or the river pollutes the water. The company was fined for polluting the local river, for making the local river dirty. Polluting, pollute. Next, populate. That's also another verb, another action word related to population, which is the noun. That's to mean fill an area with people. New suburbs are quickly populated as families move in. Many animals populate the forest near Brisbane. Many um, okay, tourists populate the beaches every summer, so they fill the beaches. Animals fill the forests, and new families fill the new suburbs, so they populate the area. Notice in everyday English, the nouns population and pollution are much more common than the verbs populate and pollute. So when you describe your own city, try using these words: population, pollution, pollute, and populate. They will make your English sound cleaner and more natural. And speak the words quickly, and speak the words clearly. Population, population, populate, pollution, pollution, and pollute.